MADETEC Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier Portable Mini by MADETEC is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. 2 Mist Mode. This mini humidifier has 2 modes. When you press the button first time, it will continuously spray for 5 hours. When you press again and it will intervally spray, stop 3 seconds, for 10 hours. 7 Color LED light. Long press the button for 5 seconds. The light will automatically change. Press again for 5 seconds to set the light as a specific color. Safe protection. It holds 230 milliliters of water and can last about 5-10 hours. Once the water runs out, it will be auto shut off to protect the device. 1 touch control. 1 button control for all functions. You only need to press 1 button to set the mist and light color. Very easy to operate. Kind reminder: do not use essential oils, perfume, distilled water, which will cause the cotton swab to clog and the humidifier to be unusable. If you have any problem, please contact them. Mini USB Humidifier. Exquisite small, do not take up space, used in the car, enjoy the fog of water vapor. Can be used in lots of places like beauty salon, spa, yoga, bedroom, living room, conference room, office and other places. Specifications: operating voltage, DC 5V. Working current, 400 mA. Use power, 2 W. Bottle capacity, 230 megaliters. Spray volume, 35 milliliters H. Product size, 68 141 mm. Material, ABS plus PP plus silicone. Product weight, 155 grams. Package include 1 humidifier, 1 USB cable, 1 manual. Note: 1. Never use in absence of water, to prevent damage to the machine. 2. Please do not add oily oil to avoid oil plugging the atomizer. 3. This product has automatic power off function. When it automatically stops spraying, please check the water in the tank first, and then press the button to start. 4. When cleaning the product, please do not rinse directly with the faucet to avoid short circuit of the product. It is recommended to use soft cotton to wipe. 5. Use a clean rag to clean the dirt on the atomizer every 10 days. If the mist becomes smaller, replace the filter. 6. Soak the cotton stick completely in the water before use. If the cotton stick is removed, please note that the spring should not be lost. 7. If you turn on the humidifier and hear a harsh sound, it means that the cotton stick is not wet and can be removed from the bubble or turned off for a while.